the heavy equipment guy here at Star Tractor. Here with a John Deere 650. Beautiful machine. We just picked up. This is a fairly new low hour machine. As you can see, it is nice and clean. Beautiful machine. Got rear ripper, 6-way blade. Great machine to do some finishing or shaping of a job site. I mean, you can tell it's nice and clean and new. Look at that. No rummish or anything like that on the wires there or on the hoses there. Beautiful machine. Maybe is for rent and for sale here at Star Tractor. If you're looking for something like this, give me a call at 817-733-3799. Thank you and God bless.